In this video, we are going to solve a differential equation. We are going to find the general solution of a differential equation here, which is dy by dx plus 2x plus 1 into y minus exponential of negative x squared is equal to 0. Now, when you find such a number, just know that this is a linear differential equation. Why? Because you can't separate variables here. You cannot separate variables. So what do? We begin by taking this side. So we shall have dy by dx plus 2x plus 1 of y is equal to e of negative x squared. Okay. Now if we continue, we look at this. This is in the form, so it obeys the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So therefore our p, if we compare, our p is going to be 2x plus 1. Therefore we go ahead to get the integrating factor for this. So our integrating factor is e of integral of p dx. So this is going to be the integrating factor equal to e integral of 2x plus 1 dx. So therefore, when you integrate this, our integrating factor will end up being e of x squared plus x. When you integrate this, you get x squared, which is going to be x squared out of 2, then the 2 cancel, then this is plus x, so we end up getting this. So when we get this, we multiply it throughout our equation. So we shall have e of x squared plus x, e of x squared plus x into, so we shall have dy by dx plus 2x plus 1 of y is equal to, we also multiply to this side, e of x squared plus x times e of negative x squared. Good. So we have that. So when we expand this, we shall have e of x squared plus x dy by dx, and then plus 2x plus 1 e of x squared plus x, then y is equal to, now when you see this, we are going to add the powers. On adding the powers, we shall remain with exponential of x, like that. But this one now goes to exactly e. When you simplify a linear, it goes to exact. So when you take this to exact and you clearly see, if you haven't watched my video about exact is, I'll link a link in the description, and then you can watch it. So this one ends up being the dy of ye of x squared plus x dx is equal to e of x. So you can go ahead and integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. So when you integrate on both sides, you shall have y e of x squared plus x is equal to, when you integrate this, you end up having x e of x e to power x, then plus a c. As simple as this. Therefore, you have solved a differential equation of this form into the simplest form. So please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, turn on the notification such that you receive a notification when I upload a new video. We meet in the next. Thank you.